Good morning, students. So yesterday we started the topic active and passive voice, and today we are doing the same chapter, active and passive voice. So how to change verbs to passive voice? Today we shall discuss this. It is written on number 7. You see very carefully. To study the passive voice forms of the verbs in the following examples. So first of all, we shall discuss about the present tense today, and we are taking the simple present. Means when the voice, active voice is in the simple present, then how to change it into passive voice when the tense is simple present. So see what is written here, simple present. You see downside what is written, is MR plus past participle. Is MR plus past participle. So past participle means third form of the verb. It means the third form of the verb. See the example. She often praises me. She often praises me. And what is the answer written here? I am often praised by her. I am often praised by her. The subject has been changed into object. Object has been changed into subject. And praises, it is simple present form of the verb, and it has been changed into past participle along with is are. And when I is the subject, we have to use the word am with it. I am often praised by her. Now see the second one. I like him. So he is liked by me. Then the third one. You always help them. You always help them. They are always helped by you. They are always helped by you. So this is the change in simple present tense. When the active voice is in the simple present tense and we have to change it into the passive voice, then the subject is changed into object and the object is changed into subject, plus what is there? As per the subject is MR plus third form of the verb, past participle form of the verb. See exercise 77, it is given downside. See it. Let us try to solve 1 or 2, 3. He kicks the ball hard. He kicks the ball hard. Kicks, simple present. The ball is the object. He is the subject. Then the object will be changed into subject. The ball is kicked hard by him. The ball is kicked hard by him. We sing patriotic songs. We sing patriotic songs. So, patriotic songs are sung by us. Sing, sang, sung. Sung is the third form of the verb. Then patriotic songs are sung by us. Then my mother loves me. My mother loves me. I am loved by my mother. I am loved by my mother. Now see the second one. So in this way we can solve the exercise. Now come to the present continuous. Now come to present continuous. When the tense is present continuous, see what are the changes here. It is written downside. Am is are plus being plus past participle. Am is are plus being plus past participle means third form of the verb. See how it is changes. I am taking tea. I am taking tea. Tea is being taken by me. Tea is being taken by me. Now see the second one. She is calling me. She is calling me. I am being called by her. I am being called by her. Third one. You are teasing them. You are teasing them. They are being teased by you. They are being teased by you. Means is MR plus being plus past participle. See the exercise 78. Let us try to solve as much we want. She is celebrating her birthday. She is celebrating her birthday. So, let us change the subject into object and object into subject. Her birthday is being celebrated by her. Her birthday is being celebrated by her. See the second one. The monkey is imitating the man. The monkey is imitating the man. The man is being imitated by the monkey. The man is being imitated by the monkey. Third number. They are advising me. They are advising me. I am being advised by them. I am being advised by them. Number 4. The boys are reading poetry. The boys are reading poetry. Poetry is being read by the boys. Poetry is being read by the boys. Now see the third one. It is present perfect. Present perfect tense. In present perfect, we use has, have plus third form of the verb. Now what we have to use in answer, let us see. Has, have plus been, B-E-E-N, been. The screen is not there for some time. Okay. Yes, we are here. So we are talking about the present perfect tense, and in present perfect tense we have to use has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. Now see number 1. He has taken breakfast. He has taken breakfast. So breakfast has been taken by him. Breakfast has been taken by him. Second one. I have read the book. I have read the book. The book has been read by me. The book has been read by me. So what we have used? Been plus third form of the verb. Been plus third form of the verb. Has or have as per the subject. Then been plus third form of the verb. Now they have passed many examinations. Many examinations have been passed by them. Many examinations have been passed by them. Now see the next one. Exercise 79 you see on the top. Here. Exercise number 79. See first example. I have recognized him. I have recognized him. So he has been recognized by me. He has been recognized by me. See the second one. She has written a new book. A new book has been written by her. You have bought a dictionary. A dictionary has been bought by you. We have sold these things. These things have been sold by us. I have read the newspaper. The newspaper has been read by me. The boys have played some games. Some games have been played by the boys. I have painted these pictures. These pictures have been painted by me. The doctor has already examined the patients. The patients have already been examined by the doctor. They have felled a tree. A tree has been felled by them. And the last one, the teacher has taught us. We have been taught by the teacher. So today we discuss the change in simple present tense form of the verb. Means when the form is of simple present tense, then how we have to change. When it is simple present, then is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Then when it is present continuous, then is, am, are plus being plus third form of the verb. And when it is present perfect, then has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. I think you are able to solve the exercise. You will be able to solve the exercise of present tense. So it's bye for today. Tomorrow we shall discuss the another tense.